The inhabitants of Laitlyngkot, which falls in the East Khas Hills district, have questioned their leaders and representatives, especially the village chief, as to why the government had not called for a meeting before deciding on the laying of the new two-lane road that connects Shillong with Dawki. On the part of the inhabitants, they had submitted a memorandum on the 10th of November to the Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Preston Tinsong, who is in charge of the PWD, demanding from the government the laying of the two-lane road on the old road which passes through Laitlyngkot and not to divert the project elsewhere. Speaking to the media, Shri Wanpantian Nongkla said that the inhabitants of the village of Laitlyngkot condemned the actions of the chief, Shri Alanson Shabong, for not convening a public hearing or creating awareness in the village regarding the project. Furthermore, they also alleged that the chief had convened a private meeting with 17 other people to quietly give their consent to the government for the laying of a bypass that connects Laitlyngkot with a stone crushing factory. According to Shri Nongkla, this particular bypass lies outside of the Laitlyngkot village.
Nakani ko surak bigi mod bantumu mentah, kamut kinong di cendi kinong odo kinong kita kilado kicing kamai cakpo cingke. Berkat kumkaan, cong ke sarkar, manaka bakabala wan naka orda cong kahai kuat, bambit bin pam dieng thala. Lada pam ni dieng kisih ka kawa kitlong benyadi ru kilado lut. Malah thela su. Dilate bebab senai surak kamu sing tuai kita bawa kita mau kita pintablut kita kasih tiang juga tu. Kamu kong mungkin ka tanya ka wak kerai wak lakut kita long kita di beriu. Tahu beriu ngeding hidup mana mesti uang ngangan mutan mesti mengenai masih kan ribuan. Dan cemana uang mengundat melong suak maem ngeding lagi keren stay. Tokan kita sejan kita kerembu ilir bukan kita wak pambelang dan kita alut baru ki cingdan kam tu baik bah. Kata ni kerpat sarkar bahkan lait hinabari. Nabari minakan na tengah Laitlyngkot. Laitlyngkot kabun ke cakap ludi. Ludi kalau Melayu tangki yang kata yang mana persediaan umat beliat amar balayo contoh perbarang. Ki mau put yang ludi ngadu ding kana ngati belut baru khat. Ya nano put nano sedang nano ngati belut baru khat kata. Namar bilik akan duk, bilik tengah macam katan kau ke yang kedong tang kong lili kami, nanti mesti ang kong lili, perlu di karat be. Bilik hati minta mak benuang kita kecakap ke bisa nabian, kamut kadon kai. Namar kata ni kerpat ni asyik ngomong sarkar, di problem. Unia saudara bulan kamut kadon kai helendat.
Ini isu ngawur. Namar ba, kan kesah humdum namar ba, saudara tu gilaka. Ulum sop ya kaneka pulai hering bat mata ko bungi subana wur kolong ba lastang mat pelaj ya kapisa hakikat tiken deki jaka tingi suwan hene namar ba pan ut panam ho krang pat pesngo puskap skbor pati pej bahlor kai kebakin sngolem igi kipai nok susno namar ngi dok susno nok dok bapi ba tingi lawan yang kedua isi ada fai hai disi te hai mentapan iwan yang kedua di bab Preston Tinsong gede minister dan PWD ring Meghalaya lat bani kendui bat I nakada ko cingdon jaga asumri mo tingin bansi bangin simno ikane kalat bangin penpau no ngini haplau jong kanika skete ya kalau kita kadisi tekau baga kepol kaladir te hoi ngiru ngila sutu namang Meghalaya kata kedicing siang Meghalaya kai nang sudah jungi melalui lendet ini kum kinang sang snow. Memang laya jelas yang ni kum kipai ba